And this assignment is again a group work, of course. This is an assignment is a PowerPoint presentation, nice. And I expect you to use the Mgmt presentation page, surprise, and the good presentation guide. What? And now you have learned something from the first assignment, I suppose. So now really make it according the good presentation. On the first page, on the cover page of the presentation, your message. You have a message, what that is, has to be seen on the first page. All right. So your job is to make a salary and rewarding system a little bit theory background about these things, and then what is, so theory about salary and theory about rewarding, and then what kind of salary system will you have in your team and what kind of rewarding in your team. And we are talking about here, unless other good ideas, we are talking about the logistics team, because I'm from the logistics department, that's the logistics. But if you prefer to have some other type of system, it's allowed. You make it in a group, I would say 3 to 5 people, 2 to 5, something like that. And if you have a good idea about where and what kind of system you would like to have, it's okay. It doesn't have to be logistics department and logistics team. But to give you an idea, 10 persons, team leader and 10 persons, what kind of rewarding and salary system you would like to have. All right, not too complicated. And hopefully we have quite clear evaluation criteria for the work. So we are talking about here that we have the good presentation guide applied. We have quite thorough analysis of the situation. So you tell about what kind of team you have and what the team is doing. A short presentation, this is the way, this is the team you are handling about. That's what we are looking for. Then you make a potential system for salary and rewarding, and I would like to see a few options over there, and then to have the idea of why you select one specific thing, one specific way to operate, which you are selecting, of course. Then you are reasoning why this is the model you want to have and how it's done. And I would like to emphasize now one thing. I have seen too many things, too many examples that it is said that our reward system is rewarding for good quality. That's nice. I like it. Quality, delivery time, on time, this kind of thing. The question is, how are you going to measure the good quality? And when you measure the quality level, I want to see how much reward you are paying. So this is a simple thing. In Finland, we have the salary levels in logistics, I would say. We are, I don't know, you know better. Should we say 15 euros an hour? Some less, some more, like that, but on the level. So when we are talking about the rewarding system, it will mean that you have to tell from experience or from experience or from information in internet or wherever, what is the typical salary level in your case, and then how much you are going to pay salary. And that leads to a system that if you have more than one criteria, should we say, how much are you able to give money-wise salary, and then comes the question how you are going to measure the criteria. So that is the thing that you really are thinking about, that hey, yes, we are going to pay for good quality, and then comes the question, how are you measuring it, and how much you are going to pay max in what period of time, and like that. So it really is a practical idea that what you can do what you could do in a small logistics team, or whatever you prefer. And I really expect these to take place, the criteria and the euros, how much you are going to pay. On the other hand, there are a lot of different ways for non-monetary rewarding, and I hope that you take those into account as well. But according to the evaluation criteria, well, that's how I'm doing my job, and then I have added some remarkable ideas like possible sources for extra information, internet. I'm sure you expected that. Well, hey, anyway, good luck.